Today I'm going to be making cornbread that I'm going to make dressing out of. So I'm going to start with 3 cups of cornmeal. And I got my stove on 350 and I got my pan and I sprayed it a little bit with Pam. And usually I make my cornbread in the iron skillet, but since it's going to be for dressing, I didn't want all that crust that you get when you cook it in the skillet, and so that's why I'm using a pan. Plus it's easy cleanup. I got 2 eggs beaten, and I got 2 cups of milk, but we'll pour about 1.5 in there to start with and see. We need the other. Yeah, you got to have cornbread if you're going to have dressing. $350, and we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes. And then we'll finish it up and make dressing out of it. Don't that sound good? Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.